Ivaline Dawson says being a caretaker is a trait that has been embedded at a young age, and so being head cook and bottle washer, a name she calls herself, for wards of the state living here at the Annie Dawson Children's Home came naturally.
Annie Dawson Home for Children is really a childhood dream that I had that finally materialized, you know. I grew up in a setting where my parents always had people's children.
The home, which caters for girls, was in need of some outside intervention to make the facility more homely. Homely for 21 children between the ages of 6 to 16 years old. And so the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, along with EdgeChem, stepped in recently to help.
Part of our responsibility, in essence, is to offer hope, not only to our clients that we build spaces for, but we believe that that same social corporate responsibility could be translated into a home like this, where you have girls who have been abused in various forms.
Appliances like a television, wall fans and LED bulbs were donated. A storage room and security fence were also erected. Even the play area was furnished with swings and walls brightened with cartoon characters.
Sometimes, you know, children, sometimes they're having a bad mood, and just because of the colors, it really helps to lift their spirit, put them in a better mood, in a better vibe, and stuff like that, despite what they're going through.
The place looks like a new penny. Really, really lovely place. You really want to. I know the children always looked forward to coming home. Thank God. I hope I'm not speaking too soon, but I never had anything like absconding here. And now I know they look forward more to come home, because there's, after homework, if they do it quickly and do it properly, they can get to come to the play area.
Though thankful, Miss Nikki says other tasks are becoming burdensome, like transporting the children to school.
Because of where we are located, there is only one primary school in the area, which is just packed to capacity, St. Richard's Primary. And so our children have to go to Shortwood, practice in Swallowfield, primary and junior high, and so on. So we need to transport them. And that little town is up there. Only the Lord knows how I do it. Sometimes I make 2 trips, taking them to and from school on a daily basis.
She's also asking for assistance with a washing machine, refrigerator, and a printer so the children can do their homework. I'm Kirk Wright with a ray of hope.